Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the data visualization basics in our tutorial series. Today we'll be looking at how to add labels while plotting using ggplot2. First install the package and call it, and we'll be creating a simple data frame. Looks something like this. It has 4 columns with trees, location, height and standard deviation. We'll be first creating a sample bar plot, and then I'll be showing you how to add different labels like for x-axis, y-axis and the title. So our bar plot looks something like this. So we already have x-axis and y-axis label. So on the x-axis we have location and on the y-axis we have height. We don't have a title yet. For adding a title we can use the ggtitle function. So let's say we want something like tree heights in Asia or something like that, and if you run this, so that is added as a title. In a bit I will show you how to make it to the center. Yeah, for title we use ggtitle function, and you can also add an label for the x-axis using the xlab. So for xlab, instead of location, let's say we wanna change to country. So now we have on the x-axis we have country. Similar way we can use the ylab to add a label for y-axis. So instead of height we can change it to something like tree height, and now it's changed to tree height. So instead of adding all these things separately, we can do this in just one step. For that we will use the labs function. So what here we will do is we will have labs, and then we will have title will be like tree heights of Asia. Instead of n we'll have it off, and then we will have x equal what you want to have. Let's keep it something like region, and then we can also enter whatever y has to be. So y can be just like th for like tree height. Now if you run this function, see it changed to tree height of Asia. It don't make sense, but yeah, tree heights of Asia. Then we have th, and we also have region here. Now if you want to move it to the center, we can use the theme function, and here we need to use the edge-just option. So just means that we are like justifying the horizontal direction. So instead of the horizontal, if we wanna change the vertical dimension, then we can use v-just here. So now let's try adding this as well and see how our results will look like. And this can be tree heights. Okay, so now it moved way further, so you can just like play around with it and see what's best for us. So yeah, 0.5 looks better for us. It's more towards the center. Well, yeah, that's all for now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe to my channel if you are looking into more data visualization and data analysis related videos. Till next time, ciao.